Today we're going to make some sour gummies. These are going to be a grape sour gummy. We're going to start off with 3/4 cup of hot water. We're going to stick it in a small saucepan. To that, we're going to add one package of, it's a 6-ounce package of grape jello. We found a Welch's brand. Guess I should have opened this in advance. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. We're going to stir it up just a little bit. We're going to stick this on the heat and we're going to bring it to a boil. Now, while that's doing that, over here in our another container, we have 1/2 cup of room temp water. We're now going to mix in, or just kind of place on top, 2 packets of unflavored gelatin. And we're going to let that sit while our grape jello mixture over here comes to a boil. That's come to a boil. We're now going to take our gelatin mixture here, stir that up a little bit, pour that into our pan here. Give that a nice stir. We're now going to put this on a medium-low heat, and we're going to cook this for 20 more minutes. After the 20 minutes, it comes to a nice clear-looking liquid there. We have got some molds here, the little half-moon disc. If you don't want to use those, you can always do smaller. You can do the little gummy bears. I got some little gummy bear ones there. We sprayed these. We're now going to just put about a teaspoon in each one of these little compartments, and then we're going to let them sit overnight in the refrigerator. These sit in the refrigerator overnight. They usually pop out pretty easy. I'm just going to turn it upside down and push them right out. I'm going to get these all done real quick. Alright, now what we're going to do, we have a second package of grape jello mix. We're going to pour that grape jello mix in there. We're just going to take one of these, roll it in, get that one to try. A grape gummy. Give it a try.